The new LCB Book Creator will allow you to quickly create a planner, quote book, or anything else you want. This software enables you to create a planner or a list of memes or anything with only a few buttons. The software combines a template made in PowerPoint or multiple templates, a CSV or comma-separated file with all the info that has to be added, and creates a series of images for you. There's a few steps to using this software. First, you have to open it. There's a few steps to using this software. First, you have to open it. If you double-click on the software, a tab with add-ins will open in PowerPoint. Open the plugin and you will see the following menu. This shows there's a few things you need to have prepared before you start. First, you need a CSV or comma-separated file. If you want an example of how these should look, a demo file should be automatically generated if you select Save Example Files. You can easily create these in Excel. This file has a list of everything that needs to be added to the planner. We will be using this comma-separated file. It's easy to add a new date. And just like that, you can create extra tabs and extra options. So let's select the comma-separated file that I just showed you. Next up, we will need a PowerPoint file. This will be your template. You can make these as detailed as you want or as simple as you want. As you can see, for the template we are currently using, there are two options. There is a date and there is a quote. Make sure that these are in full capitals or it will not work. Placeholders between the percentage marks are the exact same as we see in the comma-separated file. For example, we see here date and quote, and here we see the columns date and quote. The background for this planner was created using our pot pattern maker, and the little doll was drawn by hand. Let's select this PowerPoint file. The moment you select a PowerPoint file that is already open, it will close that PowerPoint. Next, verify the placeholders. All values are currently verified. The verification automatically happens, but you do need to make sure that these options are good. If the top row says there are values that are not verified or that do not appear, those are values that are in your comma-separated file, but that are not in your PowerPoint file. These options will be skipped. There will not be any huge problems if this happens. However, if the bottom row has errors, that means that there are placeholders in the PowerPoint file that are not available in the CSV file. This will cause error messages. You should make sure that this should always say all values verified. If it doesn't, you can check. Maybe there's a typo, maybe something else is wrong, maybe you're using the wrong PowerPoint with the wrong comma-separated file. Next, we have the Save Output As button. Here you select the file name and you can select if you want to save the slides as separate images. Because this is a template to make a planner or a calendar, we will not be needing separate images. Now click Save Output As and put in a file name for the output. Again, if you're confused how any of this works, Save Example Files will allow you to get a PowerPoint. Next up, we select the final option, Generate Slides. Then if we open the file we just created, we will see that the first page is still the template. But if we scroll down, all of the options that were in our Excel file will show up. As always, like and subscribe for more puzzle and planner tips and to learn more about our software.